Hey everybody, I'm John from smarthomereviewer.com, and today I'm going to unbox the Ring alarm system. I should note at the beginning that this alarm system is the one that you get from Costco. This isn't the one that you'll get on Amazon or Best Buy or many of the retail stores. You could tell the difference because this one comes with 6 door and window sensors as opposed to the ones that you get in most retail stores that come with one sensor. It costs a little bit more. This one was $249. The ones that you'll find elsewhere are $199. But these sensors, I believe, are $49 for a 2-pack. So you're really getting quite a bit extra for the money. So I'm going to open this up. This is the first I'm seeing this. Just got it. And let's see what we got. So, a little package with, I'm sure, the instructions and all the things that I'll probably ignore as I set this up. Here, right on top, this is the base unit. So this is a speaker on the front. This is where you'll get your alarms or your door chimes if somebody opens a door or a window. It's about the size of a router. Smaller than a cable box, about the size of a router. It can be mounted on the wall if you choose, and you can see there's a little place here to tuck the power cord if you do that. Beneath this, take a look at what's inside. So the next thing that you would wind up setting up is the keypad, and you probably want to put this by the most commonly used door in the house because you're going to have to type in the code here a few times. There's some emergency buttons here, and this is, again, obviously meant to be mounted on the wall. So there's a wall mount here that slides off. You could tuck the cord in underneath there. The keypad's actually a little bit larger than I thought. You could see it's about the size of my hand. So this is going to be pretty big when I mount this on the wall. I might want to put this someplace inconspicuous. Also in here is a motion sensor. So in my case, this is going to be centrally located in the house, basically so that if somebody does get in the house, they're not going to be able to get upstairs without me being alerted. And you can see this came with a battery pre-installed. These are supposed to be very long life batteries. They're supposed to last for years, so you don't have to keep taking this down like a smoke detector all the time. Here, this little thing is a range extender. In my case, I probably won't need this. This isn't a whole Wi-Fi range extender, so you're not going to be able to, get better signal on your laptop because you installed this. This just plugs in, and it looks like you could screw this into the outlet as well so that it can't pop out. This is also, it's pretty heavy. There's a screw on it, but I assume there's a battery pre-installed in here. But this is going to extend the range for your Ring devices, not all devices. And then over here are the door and window sensors. So this is a reminder telling me that this is a contact sensor and a magnet. And then there are, so half of them are up here, and that note said that the accessories are in the tray below. So these are going to go on your doors and windows. Again, a battery is pre-installed. It says these batteries last for years. So that is what you get with the Ring Alarm Security Kit. I'm going to set this up this weekend and post some more videos and some articles to smarthomereviewer.com where you can get all sorts of news, advice, how-tos about all your smart home needs. Thanks.